Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Most of us, or I must say many of us, use Google every day, but many of us have likely only scratched the surface of search engine's power. Even if you use Google multiple times a day, there's probably a lot you don't know about the search engine. If you have ever struggled to get the results you want or just want to know a few inside tricks and tips, surely this video will improve your Googling skills. So let's Google. It's easy to take for granted what a modern web page can do for you, but it's truly amazing how seamless Google has made the internet. Google can tell you weather, translate languages, define words, give you direction, and do so much more. Google's search engine algorithm is no doubt remarkably best at returning the information you are looking for, even when you are not exactly sure yourself. But for those times when Google doesn't seem to be giving you exactly what you need, there are few ways you can refine your search results. So the very first thing we'll see is Google search modifiers. So you can exclude a particular term with the minus symbol. So use the minus symbol to exclude all the terms you don't want. For example, best apps minus Android. So it will omit all the terms which include Android, and in short you will get a very specific result. Next one is use quotations. If you search for best courses to learn online, you will get results that have all those words but not necessarily in the order you search. So by adding quotations and searching, you will get only results that include those words in that order you have typed. Next one is or modifier. If you are looking for results that are about one topic or another but nothing else, like no extra stuff, use the or modifier to get more accurate results. For example, searching Apple Microsoft will surface result relating to either term, but searching Apple or Microsoft, remember or should be in capital, provides you with separate links about Apple and links about Microsoft. Next, we'll see some search operators. So, search operators change where Google searches. Instead of crawling out the web page at large, you will find results from specific websites or web headings. So, to search for a particular website, like if you want results from one specific website, use site colon followed directly by the site URL you wish to use. Remember, you must include the site's domain, example .com, .in. So for example, shopping site amazon.com. Next one is use the search in title colon to look for words in the web page's title. For example, Microsoft Bing in title bad will only return results about Microsoft Bing that have bad in the title. Conversely, all in title colon will only returns links with multiple words in the title, that is all in title Google is faster than Bing. So it will result all of those that contains Google is faster than Bing in title. Same way the in text and all in text works. It will allow you to only search in the text of site as opposed to the title and URL. Now search for the particular file types. If you are looking for a specific kind of file on the internet, use file type colon to search only for uploaded files that match your query. For example, use file type PDF to find a PDF or file type doc to locate a Microsoft Office document. Now search for similar websites by using the related colon qualifier to show related results. Searching related colon amazon.com brings up results including Walmart and Overstock. Searching related colon google.com shows Yahoo and Bing, etc. Now the last one is reverse image search. I'm sure many of you might done it, but still there are many people who are unaware of this feature, so thought of including this in the video. Google supports backward image searches on the most browsers. This function allows you to upload an image file and find information on that image. For example, if you uploaded a picture of the Eiffel Tower, Google will recognize it and give you information on the Paris. It also works with faces, can direct you to websites where the image appears, identify a work of art and show you images that are visually similar. So to do that, go to Google Images where you can drag and drop image into the images search bar, or click the camera icon to upload an image or enter an image's URL. Depending upon your phone, Chrome also supports a reverse image search workaround. When you see the image in your browser that you want to search, hold on your finger onto it until a pop up menu appears. Pick Search Google for this image at the bottom. Note, this will not work in Google app or other browsers, not even in Safari. It only works in Chrome. So if for reason this doesn't work, you can also select open image in new tab, then copy the URL, go back to images.google.com and paste in the URL with either method. And that's how you can improve your Googling skills. And that's it for this video, guys. If this video was any way helpful to you, please like this video and comment down your thoughts below.